Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I made $1,950 with affiliate marketing for free. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open our browser. So first I was doing like affiliate marketing. Then I found Fiverr. So Fiverr is a site like I will here, a site where you can just outsource your services from freelancers. Okay. So here we can see we have to search as affiliate. So here I was firstly making affiliate marketing sites for my purpose. So because I am not knowing how to do coding or do anything. So here you can see as we have here Fiverr. So we can just use Fiverr to use affiliate marketing. So here we can see Fiverr as we can use as affiliate marketing, affiliate link. So here we can just wait till it loads. So here we can see they have like many services. Okay, so for example, if you I have opened this service, it will I will promote your ClickBank. You can see as this services is I will promote your ClickBank promotion affiliate marketing shift. So I can just use this site. So here I was just exploring. So I got just to know that Fiverr also provides us the affiliate program. When you scroll down at the last, you can see it also have a affiliate program. You can see we have a affiliate program here at the site. At the last, you can see as affiliates. So we have to click on the affiliates. So we can just click on start here. So from here you have to just give your ID or account type, and from here you can just put your name. So the video I'm naming as here the last name, your full email address. So my email address will be not real in the video. So I will in like incognito mode. So we search as email, so it close this tabs. So here we can just go to our mail. So as you can see we have affiliate account. So we can just go here at my account, deal account. So here I will copy this mail and just paste it here. And here I have to paste as a username. So username will be my fib 50. So you can just account ID and password. Account type is private. I'm not company. Do you have any main source traffic? Yes. We can do no for now. We select the country also. So my country is India. So I will go to India here and Skype. So Skype you have to just your Skype ID. So you have to paid search, content status. You have to just fill some regular form. I agree. Also of services, graphic design, digital marketing. Register now. So here we can see congratulates you are an affiliate, start doing. So I am now affiliate of your Fiverr. So I will put my username and pass. So I can just reload here. So Fiverr had yet not given my username, or I have forgot I've written any type of username. So you can just go back one time. So here we click on login. So at here you can see welcome to Fiverr about. So here we can just see do Fiverr provide me. Here is a tracking link. So 50 bonus for every FTT, 300 bonus. Let's go. So here we can just see here is our login and ID pass. So I forgot my account username, so I will go here, paste the mail and send. So the mail has been sent to my account. So I will wait here or something. Yes, it is here. So the account recovery, your username is username. So actually I forgotten my username. Your password has been reset. The new password will be sent on your registered email. So we can just go back. Here is our new password. So here is our username and password from Fiverr. So I can just copy this password, sorry, username, and just click as here. And in the password, it is for the password. So we copy and paste it here and do login. So here I can see it's login. So here we can see we have to agree all the things that are here. So next, so don't show again, close. So here I can see don't have a conversion rate because I've made account today. So I have to go to our marketing tools. So as with all marketing tools, so here I'm not using a marketing tool. So for example, if I want to make money, I I have to promote the link, then I will click on as media reports or anything. So let's go to your sub affiliates or the commission plan. So here is the commission plan. So the commission will be 10% commission will be cut. The CPA is amount of $100 and ongoing net deposit will be $10. If you like suggested your friend or your any any relative your main account, okay, so approve, so you can just earn from here. So you can just paste the service link at the Facebook groups at your creative level. So from here you can just make money. So you can just go to gig add widgets and just embed the code if you want to visit this ad. So as you can see, this is the uh, drawing profile. So we can just explore more sources from the Fiverr, select just from the Fiverr. So we can just make embedded code and we can advertise. This is our affiliate links. If we add affiliate embedded code, we can just paste it and we can just share to the people. So here we can use as private network marketing tools. So we can just create show creatives. So we have not created default deep line. So here we can see as here are our links. So we can just copy the link. If you want to add the link, you can just click on here and you can just add the link from here. So this is how you can just earn from your Fiverr. And there is also one site called as Gumroad. So here we have done to tell this. So we will open your chat GPT. In Gumroad we will provide our what is affiliate link type of a product and like a book for free for the people. So people will click on that and they will download. But in the book we will add a link of our Fiverr for the service for the service affiliate marketing a funnel page. So they will like make the affiliate marketing funnel page and then they can do. So we can just reply my mail. So just put it here. So we continue. So it's asking for phone number. So no, so I have to verify the phone number. So I'm not using chat GPT. So you can just open your chat GPT and verify your things. So you have to open as Gumroad. So Gumroad is simply marketing site. You can just upload your what affiliate marketing book. Then you can just come to your Fiverr and search here for your affiliate. So for like affiliate affiliate marketing. So here you can see you have to go to your any freelancer and just bargain and make a code. So you have to make a $5. So if $5 they can make a funnel for you a $10, and then you can just sign up to this Gumroad and you can just promote your site. So product category you can just go to here your 3D or your designs, drawing, art, software development, photography, business and money. So from business and money you can just sell your products from here also. So from here if any person will download your product, then you can just give their a link, so they will buy. You have to directly get the commission in your Fiverr affiliate. So this is how you can just make money from your Fiverr affiliate. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.